should be the elevator on now. We're at Polaris Mall in Columbus, Ohio. It's a Montgomery KONE from 2001. The store was originally Lord & Taylor, and you can easily tell. Let's go up to UL. Door closed button does not work. 2,500 pound capacity. Got a quick caveat on the way up. We'll only give you one round trip because there's a security camera in here. Pretty nice elevator. It's a Montgomery KONE. Actually, I think we can probably come back up on the second floor, but still, I might just end on the first floor. Oh, door closed button worked that time. Watch button go out. You're at LL. We're just gonna end out here. Ring the bell. There it goes. There's a live piano here. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.